Don't do these manifestation wrongs. Hey, Scott Haug here, and today's video is going to be very valuable, but it's going to have a funny, comical twist to it. So definitely enjoy it. It will be very valuable to you at the same time. So watch the video from beginning all the way to the end. I'm going to point out some quick things around what people generally do around manifestation that aren't so good, but you might be still doing one of those things. So we want to make sure that we don't do that. We do other things as well. In the comments below, let me know if you find a video like this very helpful. Okay, put something like "this is very helpful, thank you universe, thank you," whatever it is, so that I can see also that something like this, so with a little twist to it, will be very helpful and valuable to you. Go ahead and make sure you also subscribe to the channel so you get also notified when we send out other great how-to manifestation content. All right, let's go ahead and do it. Let's jump over to those wrongs, if you will, things not to do in manifestation that is really going to be quite valuable if you listen in and take notes as you're going through. Let's do it.
This stuff never works for me. This stuff never works for me. Oh my God, the universe never helps me out. It's never delivering anything that I actually want. Oh my God, the universe never helps me out. It's never delivering anything that I actually want. Are you kidding me? This manifestation stuff is total BS. Are you kidding me? This manifestation stuff is total BS. Sometimes it's very frustrating to really understand this entire manifestation process, this universe stuff, this personal development stuff, and everything like that. What we want to understand, though, is every single time we take it out on the universe itself, or we take it out on somebody external, what we're really doing is doing a mirror effect to us. Whatever we're sending to the universe, it's sending right back at us. Whatever we're sending to another, it's sending right back to us. So instead of taking it out on the universe, we want to take it out on nobody, but rather go within, seek to understand, and say, I think I could be doing a little bit better. I think I could raise my level of consciousness. I think what I can do from here is work on this just a little bit better. And what's going to happen is you're going to send that out to the universe, and things are going to get a whole lot better.
I gotta find the answers. I gotta find the answers. I gotta find the answers. More books. More books. I need more videos. More books. Where's the answers? Where's the answers? More reading. More reading. That totally used to be me when I thought the answer to personal development and how mindset works was consuming as much of it as possible to find the answer. All the way from audiobooks every time I got in the car, to listening to personal development in the shower when I was doing laundry, when I was cooking, to reading as many books as possible, trying to read at least a book to 2 books a week. And it was getting me nowhere. No alignment, unhappiness, unfulfillment, lack of results, lack of progress, and it just wasn't working. I didn't really understand how this stuff works. But then I thought to myself, well, that must be, I have to apply the information. I have to do something with it. I heard a long time ago from a mentor an example. If you go to flight school and you read all the textbooks on how to fly an airplane, you read all the materials, you even learn the manual on how the airplane is constructed, but you never actually get inside a plane and fly it. What's the point in actually learning all that knowledge? There's no point, right? The point would be actually learning all that, getting into a simulator first, maybe to test drive an airplane, and then actually getting into a real plane with instructors and looking to fly the plane and learning how to do it, right? It's all about the application of the knowledge. Same thing goes with personal development. We have to increase our consciousness. We have to increase our frequency. We have to be in the elements internally and actually apply the change in thought, apply the change in feeling, and apply the change in action so that we can have the reaction from the universe manifest to us in greater results, right? So I encourage you, drop all the personal development just for a short time. I know that can be like, oh my God, I can't do that, right? Well, just for a short time, maybe even 7 days, look to have 1 book or 1 video that you apply. Find 1 to 3 things that you can apply towards your business or personal life or whatever it might be that allows you to actually generate the actual changes and shifts from the personal development in the first place.
Where is my manifestation? I feel like nothing is happening. Is this really working? Thoughts like this stop manifestation faster than a lightning bolt. It will self-sabotage the successive way for any individual. That kind of thinking is ego-based thinking. It's always searching for outside of itself in the physical world for the result. Where's the manifestation? When's it going to come? Where's all this stuff going, right? All of these thoughts are self-sabotaging thoughts. Literally, it's an energy we're sending out to the universe on a continuous basis, and the universe sends it right back to us because we are one with the universe. We want to avoid these thoughts like the plague. We want to get away from those thoughts, and ultimately we want to be in more divine thought. We want to be in more good thought. Like, what can I do today to better myself? What can I do today to increase the frequency I'm living on? What can I do today to better align with abundance, right? So these are good questions, and good thoughts change into good feelings change into good vibration changes to good results, good actions, good behaviors, and allowing the universe to actually manifest with us, right? So we don't want to have those thoughts whatsoever. The other ones at the very start of this video, the ones to avoid, we don't want to ask, where's my manifestation? Where's my manifestation? We don't want to ask that. We want to ask more, how can I prepare myself? How can I be more ready for the good I desire? When it seems like nothing is working and you've tried so hard, things are just not going your way, the personal development videos, the books that you're reading, you're trying it all, you've been doing it for a while, but it's just not working out. What do, right? Number one is stay strong. Keep the hope alive. It will work eventually. Remember, the universe is a very fair place, even though sometimes it doesn't appear like that. Everyone has their own manifestation powers and they can utilize them. It's just a matter of time that it's going to be activated. And number two is do a little refresher. For me, when this happened, I was so irritated that I want to quit my dream, quit my vision, quit my business altogether, all in one shot. But thank God I didn't. And what I had to do, I kept my hope alive a little bit, and what I did from there was refresh. I took 2 days off. I didn't read any books, no personal development whatsoever, and I did a little mental refresh. Then, after day number 2, I said, I'm not applying this. I got to figure out a way to apply it. Eventually, basically, I invested into a course and coach, and that was what showed me the way of actually applying the material. I want to help you do the same thing. Now, when I was there, some resources were kind of low sometimes, so I got free training first and then was able to invest. I want to do the same thing for you. It's a 10-minute free training about the 5-step manifestation process that I really believe will help you in a very tremendous way. Once you get onto the landing page, you just have to subscribe in. You'll get the free 10-minute training video. You can also do a 7-day free trial of our Manifestation Accelerator course. It's going to blow you away. So basically, you have a free 10-minute training of what to do to apply the material. You could take the 7-day trial if you choose to, which is going to allow you to just get things moving and say, like, what do I do today to apply it? Hopefully this helps you in some sort of way. I look forward to seeing you over at the training if you choose to attend.